Hey everybody, this is Jeff here, Unique Model Creations. Quick update on the progress of the TOS Enterprise 1350 Polar Lights. And pretty much what we've done is we've gone around and cut out and added these windows. Let's see if we can get a little zoom. Yeah, oh come on, clear up for us. Well, let's see here. One way or the other, we're gonna let those there. There we go, a bit. But yeah, they just went and measured off of those and added them in. They are individual blocks, as you can see. I did the same with fixing one of the pylons when the original model piece that went in there, I just simply could not find. But yeah, as those are now cut and they are in. Not 100% perfect, but this is just completed. There's no masking, there's no painting in any of that right now. So, but it gives a few more windows around the saucer edge. Like I said, I know. It's not canon to any of the ships that are there, but if this starship had been designed with the 60s aesthetic, but in 21st century, in 2025, what would it be? What would it be like? Well, it'd be more windows, for one, anyway. So, but, and as you can see here, we've gone ahead and we've added a couple more. Talked about that in the last video, what I was possibly thinking about doing. These four, they are still there. They're just currently, I masked the windows and inserted a little bit of, or masked the windows off and then went around with putty. Let's see if I can find my way. Oh, it wants to move. All right, insert yourself in that hole. There we go. Now, let's see if we can get this out and possibly get one of these without ruining anything. Slow and steady, Jeffrey. I think it's going to ruin it. I think it's going to really clean up all that. Oh, well, not just too terrible bad. Not just too terrible bad there, but we do still have just a wee bit of crud around there. And like I said, the problem with these for me was that I didn't measure as slowly as what I needed to. But as you can see, you know, that's what we've got there. And of course, those windows are the same as these around the saucer rim, is that they are, well, they're not individual. They are doubled. But you know, taking windows from the additional windows that came with that set right there. And you gotta think too, I bought this stuff a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. No, I bought this a while back and stuff. So, you know, these parts are a lot different from what you know. What comes now, actually, I think you can buy it all in one big set, I believe, with that. But with this, you know, it had all these additional windows. Even like right here, you've got additional windows that would go around the bottom here of the saucer section. So, you know, just using them where I can get them in at and stuff. I'm not cynical, just using all of them, but just fashionable. It is going to be fashionable. It's going to be nice. It's going to be tasteful, I think is the word I'm going for. So, but anyway, that was just, like I said, just a little brief update. Keep working on this. Those of you out there building, keep building. And see you in the next one.